Okay guys, so in this video we'll be talking about retracement levels. Now what exactly is a retracement? So going back to the market structure lesson, we know when we are in a bullish trend, price takes out the highs and creates a higher low, price takes out a high, creates a higher high, and then a higher low is formed, price creates a higher high and a higher low is formed. So when price pulls back, this is called the retracement. Right here, this one and this one. And when price retraces, we have something called fib retracements, this option right here, where we know that price will come to one of these levels, whether it's the 0.618, whether it's the 0.705 or the 0.79. So when price retraces, we know that price will come to one of these levels, and at these levels we can look for buy opportunities. So let's look at examples. Okay, on a daily time frame we can see how there's a high here. We can see that we're bearish. So we see there's a high there and there's a low here. And price came up to the 0.705 area and rejected off this retracement level. Another example. We have a high here. We have a high here. And we have a low here. We can see how price rejected off this retracement level, 0.705 and 0.79. We can see how price rejected off this level and continued the trend. The retracement levels that I like is this region right here, between the 0.705 and 0.79 levels. Now if you want to go on a lower time frame looking for retracements, we can see recently I actually did take a trade with this retracement level. Now we don't just take a trade just because of the confluence of retracement. We don't just take a trade because of this one concept. Obviously we have to fit everything together. We have to add all the concepts and all the strategies together. So in this area we can see how price came back up and retraced to what is called a breaker block here. But we can see how price, this was the high, this was the low down here. Price came up to a point, to my area, 0.0705, and it rejected off nicely. And this is where I would be looking for sells on top of this order block right here. So thank you for watching.